Hello from the American Muscle Car Museum. Today we have a gorgeous sunny day in Melbourne, Florida, and out from the collection we have a 1970 Ford Torino 429 Super Cobra Jet. This actually has a drag pack option on it. As you can see, this is done in a bright yellow. We have the graphics from the GT package on the side, a convertible car. The rear axle on it is part of the drag pack where it has a traction lock 430 axle. We have a close ratio 4-speed on it. And we come up here to the 429 Super Cobra Jet motor. Some of the upgrades from the regular CJ to the Super Cobra Jets, you got a 4-bolt main, you got forged piston, you got a nasty solid lifter cam, a single large fuel inlet from the pump to the carburetor, and a large Holly. We also had an oil cooler that was on the radiator supports. We had this car in, we did our Evans coolant change, we did our annual maintenance on it. Today we got it out, we're going to make a few passes down the strip, we're going to make some adjustments, dial it in, get the car detailed out and get it back in the museum. We have heavy documentation on this car. The Marty report states this car is one of 3 with a 429 Super Cobra Jet into a 4-speed and a convertible with a drag pack. So very rare car, good looking car. Once again, thanks for watching.